can feel it in my lungs now. Pressure pulling downward, like the ocean found a weakness and decided not to leave. The waves don't crash like they used to. Now they drag me slowly down. No more fighting for the surface. No more air inside my mouth. I hear the current whisper, soft enough to sound like peace, but every time I follow it, something disappears from me. Undertow, pulling me below again, like the deep already knows my name. Undertow, every breath gets harder now. Every light above me fading out. I know there's no safe way back. Once the ocean pulls you in like that, moonlight bleeding through the ceiling, like a warning I ignored. Every cycle leaves me emptier than the one before. And she touches my arm gently, like I'm someone she still knows. But I've spent too many nights now listening to the undertow. Every wave feels hollow now. Every loss cuts twice as deep. I don't know if I'm surviving or just learning how to sing. Something in the dark keeps calling, something underneath the waves. And the deeper that I follow it, the more I wanna stay. Undertow, pulling me below again, like the deep already knows my name. Undertow, every breath gets harder now. Every light above me fading out. I know there's no safe way back. Once the ocean pulls you in like that, undertow. I can feel it in my chest now. Undertow, like the water was my last breath. Undertow, every time I reach the surface, the waves drag me below again. Undertow, pulling me below again. Undertow, every light above me fading out. Maybe I was never meant to escape the deep at all. Every wave keeps dragging me down. Every wave keeps dragging me down. The deep remembers me.
I put on LBC. I put on LBC. Yeah, I put on LBC. On LBC. I put on LBC. On LBC. Wave riders in the building, yeah, they riding with me. the zone. Stacking knowledge, stacking bags, turning charts into gold. Market makers throw shade, but we glow through the rain. Every dip just a test, every loss turns to gain. Got the fam worldwide, but the roots run deep. From the med, I was grind to the LBC streets. For every wave rider who believes in the dream, we gon' put it on the map. Keep it real, reign supreme. I put over LBC.
What's going on?
From the charts to the stage, man, you know who it be. It's that Lunar Beaches fam, putting on endlessly.
Oh boy, oh boy. What's going on? Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto, where we ride the waves of the crypto market all the way to the moon. Thank you all for joining me. I do greatly appreciate it. It is July 14th, 2026 at precisely 10:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Coming to you live outside of Memphis, Tennessee. We're having fun. I got a little bit of sun today. Actually got quite a bit. I'm a true redneck. It's a true redneck. Yeah, boy. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about these charts, boy. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. Let's say good evening to the chat. I saw Jesse stop by. He look. Just to say hey and good night. Thank you for stopping by, bro, if you're watching the playback. Do appreciate that. Good night. Duality C, not of this world. How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. Good evening. We got Curtis Hill in the house. Let's go. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Thank you for being here. We've got Alexandra G, Mod Queen, Mod Boss, Mod God. Thank you for being here, and thank you for pinning that Discord link in the chat. I do greatly appreciate you for doing that each and every single night. As always, don't forget to join the free Discord. Link is pinned in the chat and in the description. Also in the description, I did not realize that I didn't have the channel links for AlexO and Piper Academy in my description. I thought I've had them in there this whole time. No one told me any different. But I went to add JR, and guess what I found? No AlexOCrypto. No Piper Academy. What's going on? What's going on here, guys? So, added all four. Oh, who's the fourth? BCPortCorp, of course. And yeah, maybe I'll add some more later. But I was at work when I did it, so. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed to the friends of the channel in the description. That's everybody that has commented thus far. Let's go ahead and get over to the charts. I did catch a long today. It was very nice, and it was a top blast. It was a top blast. In a way, it was a top blast. It was actually precisely at these closes and opens here. And I got out pretty much, what was 64,800, so like right here. Right above me target. Let's go over here real quick, because I've had these lines drawn up all week, guys. All week. Drew this up Saturday, actually. And we finally, we took a little detour. We took a little detour. But we did get up to and take those equal highs, those pesky equal highs. Potential bearish divergence coming in here, coming in hot. And let me go from here. Yeah, we've lost that anchor VWAP. Of course, we've lost that one. The one off the big candle is sitting down here at 64,251. That's based off that high volume candle at 8:30. Sorry, I did not mean to hurt your eyes, but I had to look. I had to look. But yes, we finally tooketh thine equal highs. And actually, where is this? What is this? What? 8:30 from Thursday? Hold on. Let's go from the low, please. Okay. So from the low, we are actually above the value area. Oh. Wait. Wait, why did that move? Oh, it just moved. Shoot. Did not realize that was a value area high that just moved on me. Looked like it moved down. Because it did. So yeah, we've got a lot of sun. Yeah, I got a lot of sun. I was at one job today. One job. Drove an hour and a half to get there. And worked on the side of a house of which had no shade. No shade. And it doesn't matter what time of day it is, that side of the house is getting hit with sun. And I was in one spot I was primarily in like a 3x3 spot because that's where most of my work had to be done. So that was fun. That was fun. Yeah, got a lot of sun. And I'm sure my settings don't help. Sure, it brings them all out. Looks like giant sunspots on my face. Because that's what they are. Now, getting back to it. No bearish divergence here on the hourly. Neither on the CVD. But if I go down to the 30-minute, we actually do get a bearish divergence. On our RSI, still not on the CVD 15-minute. And we do see, I do believe, we do get a bearish divergence on the 15-minute. And all of that suggests to me that maybe we just get a little bit of a pullback. Let's go back to this chart. Little cleaner-ish. Naked charts. Space. Okay. Making sure. Because I need to start deleting. Delete. Delete everything, actually. Delete it all. Okay. Why did I take the trade? I'm glad you asked. I don't know. I was FOMOing in and I got lucky. If only. No, I actually took the trade off of the anchored VWAP based off of the high volume candle, the 8:30 Eastern Standard Time candle. The reason we got the pump was because, and I actually had this conversation with Piper on Sunday. What's going on, Al Jr.? How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. I actually had this conversation with Piper Sunday when he told me, he said, I think inflation is going to come in at minus 0.3%. He was off by 0.1. It actually came in minus 0.4%, lower than he expected. And that, my friends, what? Where did everybody go? Oh, well. That, my friends, I said, my response to that was, oh, good. I think that means we should see the sweep of the equal highs on Tuesday. I thought that might happen. However, I did not anticipate this down move first before we ran up. But I do believe I said last night something about inverse head and shoulders. Well, that is not what I meant to use. Inverse head and shoulders here. I said potential inverse head and shoulders. You got the breakout. Great. Breakout looks very good. Okay. Now let's go to my CVD, my beautiful, beautiful CVD. And I saw the giant pop on the CVD. And then I saw the candles continuing to climb, signaling that this is not a false move, that it's actually looking pretty good, that we actually have buyers stepping in and making higher highs. Fantastico. And then we get the bounce. And then it was time to ride the wave. So I absolutely banged along on a call, but wanted to stop in and say, hola, what's going on, maybe a Band-Aid? How you doing? Thank you for being here. On another call, eh? In Discord. So, banging off of the VWAP. Absolutely amazing. It was, absolutely loved that one. But I did probably get out maybe a little early, but at the same time, we swept the highs, so we took my target, my upside target. So now it's just kind of wait and see. And currently, we are sitting on top of the equal highs, which I always want to see if we are going to see a continuation. No reversal. The 4-hour did get a close above those highs. We did have a pull back to the anchored VWAP. Maybe not. It looks like it on the 4-hour. Could be getting that pull back to the anchored VWAP. We'll see. All right. What do I have this? Turning this. Keep dancing around that level. No more. Could be a sign. So pull back to value area high, 64,250. Do have this high volume node at 63,847. So I'll be watching those levels, see if we get any kind of reactions from them. But in general, I mean, I'm still leaning downside. Although this looks like a pretty good running flat, man. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like a pretty good running flat to me. You need to unlock. There we go. Put you on the low. Let's make you a different color so you stand out. Oh, not black. There we go. So we're above that one too. I'm just going to get rid of a few of these. From this low, it's this one, okay? All right. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's that swing high. Okay. So we saw a big volume spike here yesterday. It started this push to the downside. Was that yesterday? No, Sunday night. It started this big push down. So that's why I have that anchored. And we've broken above all of my anchor VWAPs in this range. And look at the claim of these, reclaim of these. What is this? I think it's the swing low and the monthly, which is basically the same thing, but the monthly VWAP sitting down here. So you can see we are expanding off of the monthly VWAP. Now, odds are price will want to come back down to it. And we are back below the highs here. So we need to exercise caution here. In my opinion, exercise caution, because this could have been the sweep that leads us to the downside. But I do like how this is played out, because first and foremost, let me go to a cleaner chart. Well, let me turn off sessions indicator. Let me take this off and take this off. This is looking pretty good. Good evening, LBC. When you get a chance, can you look at Bonk? It has a bullish divergence on a 15-minute, 4-hour, daily, 3-day, 5-day, weekly, and it's at some critical lows. I'll take a look. Alan, how you doing? Thank you for being here. Mad love. We've got the one and only LBC OG Melissa. One love. How you doing? Thank you all for being here. I'll get to Bonk in just a sec. But yeah, I saw this and I almost posted about it, but basically we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we have a potential 5-wave impulse. And the beautiful thing about this 5-wave impulse is that the third wave broke the highs. Third wave broke the highs, which is what I want to see. It's what I want to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why this is not the third wave, the end of the third wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks good. But we do have some equal lows down here at 62,291. And there's a chance that we do a little, maybe an ABC. Don't know when it would start. Because technically, this could still go higher. Technically, this could still be the fourth wave. And it goes up for one more push. So this would actually be like this. And then we get an ABC correction that I think would probably come down and take care of those equal lows. Oh man, we've got them all the way down here too. Oh no. Oh no. Don't leave behind the equal lows. Well, all I see down here is liquidity, but I could be wrong. But the general idea is still this. Only, whoops, I did not mean to do that. Only here. And this. So this is still the general idea for me. Come down, come into demand, and then bounce. So this all might play out quicker than I anticipated. And this might not play out at all. But those equal lows definitely caused some trouble here. Thanks, brother. Sincere? Absolutely. And thank you for being sincere with your kind words. Three-headed monster. Actually, kind of a Batman. Maybe. You gotta give him the whole like fake abs. Pointy wings. And there you go. No, 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 Batman. Batman. Makes me want to listen to that one Death Clock song or video. Watch that video. Bonk isn't dead. I've wanted to buy some for a while, but wow, it looks so bad. Is it? Does it? Let's go. All right, let's go and take a look at Bonk. I've got all night here, people. As I start to yawn. Let's get some tunes going. What's going on, Wave Gang? Wave Cypher, thank you for sending the good people over. I do greatly appreciate that, bro. Mad love. God bless. Hope you're doing well. And yeah, I appreciate you. You've got no idea. I need to like this. There we go. I'll like both of these. Then I'm going to go to liked. Then I'm going to turn it down on my headphones. And then I'm going to turn it down for you guys so it doesn't just blast your ear holes. And then I'm going to press play. And shuffle. All right. Yo, look at all the waves. Oh, man. Absolutely love seeing waves in the chat. Wave says hi. Hi, Wave. Bearded Max Mike, what's going on, bro? Thank you for being here. JT, Akaka. Thank you for being here. Why crypto YouTube? Why crypto so white? I don't know. Thank you for being here. How you been? Where you been? Have you been around town? What's going on around town? How you doing? Thank you for being here. Good evening. All right, taking a look at Bonk for Sincere. I gotta turn that down on my headphones a little bit. Jake Dorton, what's going on, man? Taking a look at Bonkski, 15-minute. You say bull divs. Let's bring up something that can show us bull divs. Just our standard RSI, man. I see this one. That's pretty much played. Don't really see one there. Not quite. I mean, if you count bodies, then yes. But you don't typically count the bodies. So don't really see that. Let's go to the 1 hour. Did you say bullish or bearish? You said bullish. 15-minute, 4 hour, 3 day. I didn't see it on the 15, unless you were talking about the one that already happened. That one too. On the hourly, 4 hour. Yeah, I don't see bullish divergence there either. What are you looking at? What are you looking at as for your bullish divergence? I use the wave trend oscillator, which tracks momentum. Okay, the wave trend oscillator. Is that market cipher or is it called wave trend? Wave trend momentum oscillator. Oh, it looks like a market cipher-ish. Okay, yeah, there's your bull div right there. and buy signal. I've never looked at this before, so it's definitely interesting. Huh. No, just trading view. Oh, okay, sorry. You gotta yell at me. It looks pretty cool though. Just trading view? Wait, is that the one? Wait, are you how far behind are you? Wave trend with signals, wave trend oscillator. Publication as ghosted? Oh, okay. Okay, go away. Jesus. I'm not yelling. It works pretty good. I gave up on RSI a long time ago. RSI is fine. I use RSI all the time. You just got to know how to use it, which is pretty much the case for any indicator. Now, what I do see is a little bit of a climb here in the CVD as price is pushing down. Now that catches my interest. If I can get that on CVD, I really like it. The RSI, man, RSI is perfectly fine. You can trade with it. I do it all the time. It's just another point of confluence, you know? But it can also give you like early signals too, which it tends to do early or late, depends on how you look at it. But I mean, sometimes the bearish or bullish divergence will come before the move, or before the move. And so, I mean, I'd have to come here and take a look. We do have an overall trend like this on the lows. Overall trend here. These are swing levels too, and that is showing a bullish divergence. Good old bullish divergence on Lebansky. Now the question is, when and where and how do you enter a potential long? What is your goal? What are you looking for? Sincere, I want to know. Because seeing a divergence isn't really enough, right? Gotta have a little bit more. What I add to the divergences myself, simple market structure. For me, something like this, I bet it's on the daily. It's even harder on the daily. 3-day. Trying to get it done on the 3-day. Weekly. Pretty flat here on RSI. Since November, geez. And prices just continued to drop. Which isn't, that's kind of interesting. Yeah. It's lost this node. And it's going to 0. Let's go from the high. See, how's it looking here? Oh, you lost the value area? How's it looking from here? Lost the value area. This actually, it's not really looking all that good. In the higher time frames. Bonk. Bonk. Who has the most history? This one's not gonna have volume, I don't think. It's okay. Bitstamp? Nope. Gemini? Nope. OKX? Nope. Who has the most history? Kraken? Nope. Bye. See, this starts all the way over here. What exchange listed it here? I need to know. Maybe because I have it on USD. Let's put it on USDT. Binance? No. Bybit? Yes, Bybit. Okay. Now let's pull a fib. Let's layer this bad boy up. Wow. Below the 886. That's not good. Volume weighted average price below it. From launch. Below buyers, or sorry, definitely not buyers. Sellers are for sure in control. J Rizzle, the Rizzler. How you doing, bro? Thank you for being here. Thank you for stopping by. Mad love. I got you in the description now. Finally. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the one and only Ninja Art of Crypto, aka JR, aka the Rizzler, aka J Rizzle, aka yet another crazy but funny Canuck from Canuckistan. Canuck sounds like a slur. I'm not gonna lie. I use key OB, high time frame OBs, then I'll wait for it to come to the OB, watch on a lower time frame to make a higher high off that main OB. I like that a lot. I don't have anything against RSI, just I use things that fits me better. Yeah, I mean that's what it's all about. Like, what fits you better? I just saw, yeah, there's a bearish divergence there. Push down. I tell you what, buddy. Bud. Last swing high before this low. I mean, it's a meme coin, so would I be surprised if it saw another 72% drop from current price? 83% drop to the point of control? No, I would not. And that would be exactly a 99% drop from the high. 99.00. That's crazy. Because we be drinking. You have to drink if you live in Canada. Yeah. When I was drinking, one of my favorites, well, I guess I should just say my favorite, because I drank it freaking every single day for a while. And at least a half pint. And it was always apple flavor. I can still taste it today. It's called Crown Apple. Crown Royal Apple. Absolutely loved it. I mix it with Coke. Oh, you'd be surprised how good that tastes. Volume profile traders getting caught up in Bing Bong. Volume profile traders. Getting caught up in Bing Bong. It's kind of the point. What do you mean caught up? The key to volume profile, the key to trading in general. Wow, look at these high volume nodes really lining up here. People tried to buy here. People tried to buy here. They just kept selling off as it kept coming down. They're like, oh, golden pocket, try to buy it. Nope. Oh, 786, try to buy it. Nope. I mean, they all kind of bounced at first. You got that first bounce, second bounce. Then you just lose it. I mean, if it's going to bounce, it probably needs to do it from here. I don't know that it needs to close below 5,000 zeros, 4160 on the weekly. I don't know that it needs to close below that. For me, I need to see a change in market structure, man. A change in trend. I gotta see a break of the downwards trend and then a continuation before I would even consider trying to find a long on this thing. But if your thing is, I don't know, spot trading this, that's why I said it's at a critical level. Hey, well, there you go. But yeah, volume profile, your fibs, your anchored VWAPs, standard VWAPs, whatever. You're marking off levels, and you're seeing what price does when it reaches those levels. That's what I do. You do you. You try to snipe entries, you're gonna take more losses. More likely. You're more likely to take more losses trying to snipe entries. Why? Well, because you're trying to snipe it, which you have this level set and you're just going to enter no matter what. No confirmation, nothing. And you can do that. I mean, if you've got really good levels and you just manage your risk, I've been telling you guys for a couple of weeks now. I have, over the past 4 weeks, averaged a 36 point something win rate. And yet, my account as a whole is up 22% over those 4 weeks. So, obviously, risk management was a very big role in having a good risk reward risk, whatever, or multiple average or multiple. I trade spot and leverage on this and SOL mostly up and down. That's why I wait for a change in market structure to give me confirmation. Yeah, exactly. So as long as you're doing that, you're fine. This just looks kind of nasty, man. Big volume over here. Let's see. Well below that. Swing high. I mean, it's going to be below all of these. No matter where I put this thing. Sellers in control. But yeah, volume profile. I've been using the crap out of this lately. But I also use it in a certain, very specific way. So, but I've been using it a lot, and it has been very helpful. You just got to know what you're doing. All set. Is Bonk good? Are we good with Bonk? I didn't give any levels. No, we're not good with Bonk. Go back. Kind of gave levels. Basically, we got this high volume node over here, and I really want to see it break above this high which is right at that high volume node, ironically. And if it can do something like this, backtest and get a continuation, and we've created a 5-wave impulse, potential 5-wave impulse, and then we'll look for a pullback after that. It doesn't have to be that dramatic or anything, but once you get a 5-wave impulse, expect the pullback, which is just further consolidation. And then you hope to see another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if he gets that, another ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That becomes the next big level. You got a break, and then you get an ABC to the downside. But from here, now we have swept the equal highs. We do have equal highs. So I just now believe that we will. It will make a move up here at some point because of the equal highs. But yeah, this is kind of, yeah, this is what I would want to see if it was going to reverse here and flip bullish. Which it could. Yes, sir. Set just updated the Discord's beauty. Thanks for your opinion, OBC. I appreciate it a lot. Appreciate you, Sincere. And just general trend stuff, you know. It's been trying. I mean, it actually, okay, well, broken trend, pulling back. Hmm. Seven, 8, 6. 7, 8, 6. Take the low here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 7, 0, 6. 3, 7, 0, 6. Never know. Could happen. I'd look for that 786 though. Look for the bounce. It's the last down move. Last from swing to lower. That looks good. We print hard and play hard. That's right. Beach house party. Join the beach house. Yeah, join the beach house. I love you guys. Is it gonna want to hold the value area high though? It did bounce off of it. I mean, if you're doing spot, even if you're doing leverage, I mean, you could go just don't do a whole position here. Do a partial. And then see if it does want to come down here. But stop loss is going to be down here. Down below this low. No matter what. At least for me it is. You do whatever you want to do. Nothing on this channel is financial advice. Please do your own research and all that good stuff. Dump it. Crypto Creek. Crypto Creek. Careful. No. I think we're kind of expecting it. Labradoodle. Lab. Isn't this one that was like printing like crazy? Wait, what? I might actually not do an extra long stream, but might actually go into the Discord after the stream. What do you guys think? What do you guys think we should do? That way I can take a quick break and then come back up here and get on Discord. Can't be hanging out too late. I do still have work. Just because wife and the boys are gone. I'll have one night where the house is just completely empty. And that will be Thursday night. So we can have fun. I should have asked off for work these few days. So I could trade. All for the trades. A little bit of a bull div here. On the 3 minute. Hold on. What are we doing here? Let's zoom out. Let's start from the daily. Whoa. Wait, what'd you say? Dump it? I mean, yeah. I mean, it lost support if it ever had it. It's called a rug pull. It looks a lot like a rug pull, doesn't it? It's flatlined. Look at the volume. Look at the negative delta. Jeez. That's wild. Dang, Kanakistan. Remind me of Terra Luna. Yeah. Luna was Luna? Was it like, I don't remember exactly. I don't think it was. It wasn't like. It wasn't. It was all at once, right? It was all at once. Like it happened so fast. I remember exactly where I was when I heard the news of the Terra Luna getting depegged and how it was like in free fall. And I was taking lunch. I think I was taking lunch, but I was at work, and I still remember the random Walgreens I was at, parking lot. And I just remember I was listening to someone, I don't know who, one of the crypto shows that I used to listen to or something. But they were just going over everything that was going on, and I was just like, holy crap. Is Luna, can you like see the original? Yep. Oh God. Oh yeah. Let's go to the daily. Jeez. Yeah, it does kind of remind me of that. What the heck was this? And I mean, and look how flat it's remained since that pump. Like, I mean, it's been down and to the right, but still. How did it recover at all is what I want to know. Luna's Justin's son, right? Oh my God, PTSD. 10 out of 10 wick. Yeah, right? Not even a wick. That's the problem. That's a massive candle body, dude. That's 100%. Look, it won't go lower. It won't go lower than 100%. How is that even a thing? Why doesn't it say 99.99999? Look, this is 100% until, like, as soon as we hit right there. Wait. No, right. Oh, right there. We're at 100%. So you're actually in the negative from here. That drops. It drops another 97%, 98%. Do Kwon, that's who it was. TRX's son. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the other Asian guy. Look, I know CZ. I know Do Kwon. I know Justin Sun. Look, they look similar-ish to this white boy from America. That's crazy, dude. It dropped 100%. This is how is this 100% though? That's what I don't understand. It literally broke TradingView. That's how bad it was. And yeah, I mean, if we go back, who was it? What were we on? Lab? Oh, we don't have a crypto or an index. Okay. We'll do Bybit then. Oh. Yeah, I'd say I see striking similarities. Oh Lord. Wait, why? Okay, I was about to say, why are there only perpetuals? But there's more than that. How much is this down from the high? 99. Bro. Yeah, that's not good. What even is this? It just like popped up out of nowhere. Watch it get a pump. It's one of those that came out of nowhere, pumped real crazy, and then now look at it. It's dead. Typical meme coinery. It's do or die for Lab right now. TS at support to graveyard if this don't hold. TS? TS at support? Huh? Honest. Double bottom on Lab. And at support. What is support on something that is down 99+%? Support? It ain't got no legs. Who's holding it up? Yeah. Good demand zone, I do think. 15-minute demand. I know, I saw the long-term stuff too. Higher time frame stuff.
like a chance. Every move feel monitored, every step feel like a test. I don't
Not
feel
what I
the same
wanted.
control, I don't feel the same calm, but I feel something inside me saying this is where you're from. Bum, 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 bum. Hear the call of the moon, God, now it's everywhere. Every doubt I used to have getting buried.
2.618. Okay. What does this is space. What does Chart Prime say?
Yeah, I heard it.
It is way below the dynamic reactor. Let's go to the 4 hour.
It's 11 p.m.
Jeez.
and I'm staring
1
at the
hour?
chart again, like it's gonna tell me how to be a better man. I should be sleeping, but I'm chasing tiny signals. While
It's
the
getting
chaos
closer.
my confidence in a little crystals, and now it's dumb, but it feels like home. Oh, oh, this glowing ocean. I can't leave alone.
First step is getting over here. Getting over 30 cents. Really getting above these highs and holding them. Whoops. Kind of create a little bit of a W. It's a weird W. I mean, if it's going to sustain, I mean, you might see a bunch of waddling in here. If it's going to survive, that is, not sustain. If it's going to survive. Never know, someone might fat finger along. Do have some equal lows over, or equal highs over here. Where is this? At about $1.56. Just thoughts on lit, same as height, but 1/20th the market cap. I'm going all in, back to $20. Let's go. Just joking. Going to $20. Lieutenant Dan, you can walk. That's right, Forrest. Lieutenant Dan, you got new legs. All right. It's 11:59 or 11. Oh, nope. It is 10 o'clock my time. And that means we got to go to LBC After Dark. I don't know, dog. Yes, this is like where it's gotta do something, but at the same time, it's like, what could it do that would make me want to buy this? You want to know what it would have to do? A lot. A lot. Oh, it's that support there. If we pull from the swing low. Okay. What about the swing high? We're at the value area low. The alleged value area low. Hold on, let's pull a fixed range. Let's do from low to high. Hold on. Oh, actually. Wow. So from this low, hold on. Bro, volume profile didn't really ever follow price. It was not really raising much. Smart contracts. So from low to high, value area high. That's where we're at. Point of control sits down here at 12 cents. Can it get there? Yeah, I mean it can do. It could die. So this entire move, all of this, every single bit of this, all of this, 70% of the trading happened here between this value area high and value area low of the volume. 70% of the volume. Go from the low. Still. When does it move? This low? I mean, most of it's still down here. So yeah. This would be the last point of support, my friends. Hold on, let's play around. Let's say a 50% retracement is giving you a 59x. 382 gives you a 43x. The 114 still gives you a 12x, 13x. This is like one of those moments where it's like, It's like, is this worth throwing 50, 100, a few $100 into, not getting too crazy with it? Just kind of like a Hail Mary. Yeah, like if you ever go to a casino, like me, if I go to a casino, I'll take $200 and that's all that I take with me. Do not take any cards, nothing. Because that is the money that I am willing and can afford to lose and still be okay. That is all that I would put into lab. Same here, and that really should be any asset, but some of them you can take a little bit more risk on, in my opinion. But you look at Luna, dog. If you were down here and you caught that bottom, what did it get up to? Look at that. It didn't even get up to the 114, dude. But this high here, 8,122,659%. And actually a little more because I didn't have it at the low. 8.7 million%. 108,000 from the general area where it goes from where it hits 100% downside. 88,000. That's kind of crazy. 8.7 million%. You put $1 in, you make $8 million. But who is putting their money in here? It's a little bit of a facade, though, because I do believe Do Kwon, or is Do Kwon or like Terra Luna investors stepped in to try and save it, basically. And I'm pretty sure that's what caused the big spike. And it went up pretty quick. I mean, it's a weekly chart, but okay, maybe I should not have done the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4. Ah, there you are. Yeah, people didn't have a chance. Yeah, I didn't think so. Yeah, absolutely not. This is a 4-hour candle, guys. This happened all in 4 hours. And I still think that was just like a one person buying or something. Let's go to the hourly. Why can't I find it on the 1 hour? Oh, because mine doesn't go that far back? Yeah, I'm not paying for that. 2 hours. Can't see. Thank you. Is this it? Gotta be it, right? Maybe I should mark the bottom. That'd probably help. That's... What the heck? There it is. Now I can do replay. Oh, let's watch the replay, guys. Here we go. I don't think anybody's getting in on this. But it is live price action. I mean, they might have been getting in on it because, I mean, if you're on a decentralized exchange or something, maybe you're swapping it for something. I don't know, dude. Look at these wicks. Look at this price action, though. It's freaking insane. Okay. Coming down, we're going to take the equal lows, hit support, and then blast off. I can predict the future because I just saw it. Look at this. Absolutely flat. Look at this. Look at this. Now watch. Watch the big. Here it goes. Just flat. Wait for it. It's like 3, 2, 1. Pump. Whoa! Oh, that was crazy. Big gap. Let's mark that. Oh, pause. Yeah, this is when they were trying to stabilize it. I don't know that anyone was actually trading it. I don't remember. What in the world are y'all doing? We're going over Terra Luna Classic. No, not Classic. We're going over the Terra Luna collapse. It was a lot of fun. Should have been there. Look, we had one 4-hour candle, so we're about to have to pop off or something. I thought we had one 4-hour candle, but oh, I guess that was it. I mean, it's a good thing to look at. Yeah, so you know what can happen. Alright, let's turn this off. Four-hour. How can I see it all? Thank you. Daily. There. So that's where that gap was. Wow. Death. So yeah, lab. Maybe you can catch something like this. But again, that was them actually trying to save Terra Luna. So I don't know. Are they trying to save lab? Because the people that were trying to save Terra Luna had a lot of freaking money.
I can't escape this butcher shop. I'll give you my ego. I'll give you my rage. Just send the chop and unlock the cage. Choked. Pockets are blade and I'm made in the tide. It cuts through my place and it swallows my pride.
Welcome to Lunar Beaches Crypto. What's going on, Alex? This slaps, by the way. I figured you'd like it, maybe a band-aid. Right up your alley. Unlocked market cap 107 million. Total market cap 73. What's the FDV? 234. But you only have 73 in your market cap? That's not good. Your fully diluted value? Yeah, your fully diluted value should not be worth basically 3 times more than your market cap. Those numbers should be pretty close to each other. Total supply 990 million. What's this? Huh? Liquidity pool. Market cap? Huh? That's probably some Nerdy DeFi crap. Lab token crashes 85% as manipulation warnings finally play out. It's got a whole freaking white paper, dude. This is This is today's white paper. This is what today's white paper is. See? Crypto, it's a crypto coin, guys. Do you want to buy it? This is my white paper. And it's a crypto coin. So you just buy it and number goes up. You see? You see my white paper? It's white paper. It does have lines, but that is for visual aid and graphics. So, but crypto coin, buy my crypto coin. Hope you like that. What is this symbol you guys keep putting in the chat, dude? It's like some Asian symbol or something. What does it mean? You say me, bro. XA, what is that? I don't know what it is. I don't know if I'm like too old or what. Someone said this was like the next hype. Is that what someone said? Zach XPT alleged in May 2026 that insiders controlled more than 95% of Lab's token supply. Jesus. And had inflated the price through coordinated market making on centralized exchanges. Wow. Cryptopolitan reported that his investigation described hidden private loans from the project's BVI registered entity and discount deals offered to key opinion leader Coles in exchange for promotional posts. The analytics firm Bubble Maps also issued a warning telling holders the situation would get ugly. Man, I wish I was paying attention because maybe I would have shorted it. Lit. Oh, sorry, Alan. Sorry. That was you. We beat the lab horse to death. What happened here? Oh, it must have got delisted from Mexi and relisted. There's like a 2-year gap. Crypto. That's what I need. Oh, God. Ooh, 99.77%. Gotta love it. Litten Tree? Did they change their name, or is this a different, or is it lighter? Which one is it? SBF all over again, right? I don't know. These both say lit USD. This one has perps, so that's probably this one. Not much history. That's not it. Lighter. Yeah, this is it.
Saw the setup clear as day. Same pattern, same play. Same entry I've hit before, so I didn't hesitate. No second thought, no doubt. I moved like I had it mapped. Didn't see the shift beneath, didn't see the trap. Something slipped right past me. Something I didn't read.
RSI looks good.
I was watching the surface.
Don't see bearish divergence. We actually put in a higher high. Why? I thought you. Can you not give me daily? If I put it on the weekly? Yeah. But wait, what if I put it on the month? Even better. That I do not like. Do not like seeing this general downtrend as price is moving up on the CVD. Excuse me. A little bit of a cupping action. A nice big candle breakout could send it. Hype has 14 billion market cap, Lit has 600 million. How are they the same thing? Like they're like, it's another like exchange type deal? Value area low still sitting down here. Trading platform? Okay. Who has the most history on hype? You guess it's gonna be Pyth? Pith? Taking Pith? Alright, but I came in here to look at this. So hype had a little bit of a curving. And that's pretty much what I'd like to see from Lit. Oh, I actually have it on my watch list. Of course, because it's a Bybit perp. So yeah, if it can get it, if it can break out, and it might take it a little while, just like it did hype, but it might come down back to the value area high. So if it breaks the high, and it kind of starts to fade, and then we go into the, I mean, this is the July pump that I'm expecting anyway, July into August, and then we just slow bleed out and then capitulate in October. 4-year cycle bear market complete. And then from there, maybe we can gig along it from about $1.56. We'll see. Alright guys, I went over a little bit tonight. Gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm yawning too much, so but tomorrow I will get to the desktop sooner. Much sooner. I got nothing to do after work tomorrow, guys, so let's hang out in the Discord day. The next 2 nights, really. Thursday, I get there's just nothing. I ain't even got to check on a kid. So yeah. Tomorrow will be nice. Hopefully I catch a short or long on Bitcoin. Right now, I need to come back over here and look at this real quick. What are we doing? Oh, a little bit of a pop. Are we trying to running flat right now? That would work out for wave 4. I would like a running flat for a wave 4. We do this. No, still wouldn't have taken this high. But this definitely is setting up for my idea. And I think we're bottomed, dude. I might even call the bottom. I might even call the bottom being in if we did that. I would say if we did this exactly like this, I'd be at about 80-20 bottoms in. You come up here and I'm at 90-10, 95-5, because now we're changing significant market structure. 82K is the one currently. But yeah. Alright guys, I greatly appreciate you coming by this evening. Don't forget on your way out, please, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel if you are new. Hit that notification bell to be notified for whenever I create new content and when I'll go live. Remember, nothing on the channel is financial advice. It's for educational entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. And understand that trading involves risk. Trading and investing involves risk. Do not risk more money than you are willing to lose. But do not take any YouTuber's advice ever. Don't ever do it. Don't even take my advice. Do your own research. Yes. No, but for real. Don't trust, verify. That's a saying you don't hear a lot these days. I heard it every day last bull market. Almost never hear it anymore. Don't trust, verify. And even then, don't even really trust it. But you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. You know what I mean? You stay away from that hedge now. Hedge? I don't know what you're talking about. Anyways. I think that's it. Oh, join the free Discord. Link is in the description. Join all the channels: AlexOCrypto, BCPortCorp, Piper Academy, the homie JR. Links all in the description. And join the Otter Gang Discord affiliate link through my affiliate link. Whatever. Yeah, do that. But anyways, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing, beautiful, wonderful, radical sleep. Mad love. God bless. Ride the waves. Peace. The F out. Bye.
Comes a song. Wake up. Open up the feed. Another headline. Another reason. Another fear. Welcome to Futter's paradise. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive while the weekend say goodbye. Wake up in the morning, see another scary headline. Turn around and now they say the whole economy is flatline. Last week it was terrorist, week before that it was decline. Month before recession, now they got another deadline. Same old story, different face, different fear, different day, different expert on TV, telling everybody run away. Meanwhile, price goes sideways for another 30 days, and the boredom start to hit till conviction starts to fade. Ooh, I can hear them selling, I can hear them folding, I can hear them saying this thing never moved. And meanwhile, underneath the surface, something slowly growing by. Structure building while nobody even know it. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive while the weak hands say goodbye. Institutional models say accumulate the fear, accumulate the boredom, accumulate the tears, accumulate the doubt, accumulate the years, accumulate the assets when nobody wanna be here. That's the game, that's the plan, that's the cycle, that's the move. Everybody wanna buy when the candles break the roof. Nobody wanna buy when the market look confused. That's exactly why the market shake them loose. Out of game floating, wave riders coasting, diamond brains focusing while everybody posting. End of the world narratives everywhere you go, yet the chart keep drawing what the chart already showed. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Repeat it long enough and eventually the crowd tap out. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. Uncertainty, doubt. That's when accumulation usually hang around. Sentiment still low. Everybody looking down, nobody wanna know. Bottom structure almost ready, pressure start to show. And by the time they realize the train already rolled. Same cycle, same story, same crowd, same pain, same people swearing that this time it won't be the same. Then another expansion, then another bull phase, then another generation learning all the same things. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Every headline amplified while the smart money buy. Living in a Futter's paradise. Everybody terrified. Wave riders still alive. Knowledge is profit till we die. LBC. All the gang. floating.